Okay. The slicing for Simplify 3D is broken. Now, this is not just Simplify 3D. Apparently, this is all slicers, including Cura. I've seen someone do a Cura model that does the same thing, where it will begin to draw a solid top layer, but it won't draw it over the whole goddamn surface. Instead, it tries to draw a solid top layer just where it'll actually be exposed on the model, and then the rest in infill, but that can't work. That can never work, because you're dropping filament into an open space. You need to make that whole layer solid, even if it's just one. That layer needs to be solid. And don't tell me to use processes, because do you know how many times I'd have to do that to do this whole thing? It would ungodly. I would have to do it would take me hours and hours and hours to find all the spots that I had to do it in. And you don't make it easy to find the spots, because you don't do it by layer, you do it by stupid millimeters. I can't just go to layer 573 and say, okay, do a solid layer at 573. No, instead I have to find out it's 573 somehow by scanning up and down the model, and I can't use the end, I have to use beginning, because if you use end, it just says one of the whole number of lines, but if you use beginning, then it tells you the actual line that you're at, and I have to multiply that by 0.2 to find out where the damn layer is in millimeters and tell it to do a start-stop there. Instead, I would like your software to be smart enough to recognize that this can't work. And what it should be doing is either making this entire layer solid or using the infill as an edge and fill the layer in to at least where it will touch a wall of infill. As you can see, I have very high density infill on this, way more than I actually need, and it's still not enough. I still get this crap because it's trying to put a layer where it can't, because it's only doing a partial layer. Please, guys, fix that. It shouldn't be hard. If you're trying, the software should be smart enough to recognize that you can't drop filament in midair. I can't imagine why that would be so difficult to fix. That's it.